Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In our last training, I show you how to create a custom 2FA authentication using PHP, a basic custom 2FA authentication using PHP. And in our last video, we did the login and the 2FA authentication code sent to user email, and the user to authenticate to show is the real owner of the account. So that's what we did in the last video. So let me quickly show you how it works. So this is our registered email ID. You input our password and the user login. Then the code is being sent to user email address. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do send new code. For example, if a user trying to log in and a code is not being sent to the user email, the user can be able to click on resend a new code. So when user click on resend a new code, then a new code now be sent to the user email address. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And don't forget, this is a continuation of our series on how to create a basic custom 2FA authentication using PHP. If you have not watched our previous video, please watch it so that you understand where we are coming from. Be able to understand the logic and the flow of the system. Get started. Alright guys, here's my VS code and this is the HTML code. Let me quickly show you. So I've added this text to it. I didn't receive any code, so we'll say send new code. So when user click on this send new code, then a new code will be sent. The code will be sent to the user. So we will send the email, not like generating a new code at this time. What we are going to implement now is that when the user click on this send new code, or we'll change it resend code. When the user can resend the code, so the code will be resent again to the user email. That is what we are going to implement right now. Okay, so let's get to it. So here's my page. We are going to write, let's change this to send resend the code. Resend code. Let's say resend code. Click on resend code. The code will be sent to the user. Okay. So first thing first, what we're going to do is this. We added this tag to here. We also added this to our page. So this is the email that we are going to be sending information to, and we'll grab the user email from the session ID that we set in our previous video. So please watch the previous video so you understand where we are coming from. Then the code that this is the tag name for the code that we receive. So this is code we are going to be sending. We'll be sending to this user authentication ID, which is the user email. Okay, so let's write the code here. So next we are going to do get a variable in your code equals Alright, so in here I'm going to put the code that we want to send, and which is the code that we receive. That was what we are sending, and then the user that we are going to send it to, that the user email, we grab it, put it here. Then this is an action, so the action button name, we'll put it there. Let's get the action button name, which is this is the submit button name. This is the submit button, so this is the name we use. So that name I'm going to put here, put it there. Great. So alright, nice. If this image is empty, if it's empty, that will show this error. If not, it will not show that error. We just put there to track some error. The next is if new code let's check this code. If the code was post or if the code was sent, actually it will show success message there. There's success. So here's a 2FA code. So let's test it and see if it's working. Let's refresh our page and click send code. Voila, it's working. That's it, guys. In the next video, we are going to send it to the user email. So I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and your loved ones.